Alright guys, welcome back. We're going to be solving another question from the third chapter of the Engineering Mechanics Statics by Meriam, and in this one we have a pipe P that is being bent by the pipe bender as shown. We know the hydraulic cylinder applies a force of 24 kilonewton, so we can see this force F in here to the pipe at point C, and we need to determine the magnitude of the roller reactions at A and B. So we're gonna assume there is no friction at these two rollers at A and B. So if that's the case, we're gonna have only the normal force from these two supports, which is gonna be something like this, NA and also NB perpendicular to this surface. And if we just draw the free body diagram for this part of this pipe, we also have this force F in here, which we know is 24 kilonewtons. And if we look at this based on the symmetry, you can figure out that the normal force at each of these 2 points will be the same. But before that, let's just get to that conclusion in another way other than the symmetry. So we need to resolve these two forces into two components like these. And we know this angle here is 15 degrees. And if that's the case, these two angles here are also 15 degrees. So we are in equilibrium. We have our equilibrium equation, sum of all forces in x direction. And if we do what we have for x, we're going to have NA sine of 15 degrees. This one positive minus NB again sine of 15 degrees. And this is going to give us NA is equal to NB, which is the conclusion that we had from the symmetry of this pipe. So if we just do sum of all forces in y direction, we should be able to find all the unknowns. And since they are the same, they are both downward, so minus 2 NA cosine of 15 degrees would be the y components. Just color x and y in here too, the normal x and y that we consider, and we have the force F, which is upward, equals 0. So NA would be basically 12 divided by cosine of 15 degrees. Let's calculate this. This is going to give us 12.42 kilonewtons. And of course, this is equal to NB2 and all the reactions that we have for this question. Hope everything was clear. Let me know if you guys have any questions. And you guys take care. I'll see you in the next video. Have a good one.